You talk about frustration in your book with highly intelligent low performers versus less gifted high performers. How do you deal with each type and make them better?
Yeah, well, this is a very personal issue with me, and I'm probably, I've thought about this a lot, and I may not be very fair on this, but from the time I was a kid, I think I've had this bias where, the kids in class that I could tell were really smart, but they were just dialing it in every day. And then the kid in the back that was struggling, but really trying. And I feel the same way at work. It's, some very, very bright people come into this industry, but because of their personalities and their comfort zone and not wanting to get out of the office or mix it up with clients, they don't perform at the level that I know they can. And so I push them, and when they don't perform, I do get pretty frustrated with them. And I always say, I'll take that somebody on my team that will kind of run through doors, for the firm or for me to get a project done. They may not be as smart as the person down the road, but they're going to come in my office before they leave and say, anything else you need, whereas the other person might sneak out and, I don't see them over the weekend, and, they're gone.
Yeah.